Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Grapor once again, and today I'm back after not decades, obviously, back after I think it's been a week that I have shooted my last video. So I am back with original, authentic and relevant content for you. So first of all, let me just introduce myself. I am Sakshi. My channel name is Grapor. Who I am, a very confident and optimistic girl. So I was just scrolling yesterday and one video pops up into my feed, and I really find that video too relevant. That video was about that how you will be introducing yourself. There you don't have to include your social status and your prior experience and what is your like education, from where you have done your qualification and college and school. Like, you don't have to mention that at all. You need to tell who you are really, and that thing, like, it is too stuck into my mind that who I am really, like how I'll be introducing myself without these things, like without telling my social status, without telling my prior experience, without telling my qualification, my highest qualification, how I'll be introducing myself. And towards I got to know that is like I am very optimistic about everything. Like I am really a very positive person. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट इंसान हूँ. सो क्या मैं हमेशा से ऐसी कॉन्फिडेंट थी, या फिर कैसे ये इम्पैक्ट आया, कैसे ये चेंज आया? लाइक दिस गुड अर्लियर? वॉज माई कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑलवेज दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग? No, I don't think so. Not at all. So I was too underconfident child, too insecure child, and I was afraid of everything. Like literally everything. So I was always insecure about my color. So my color is brown, and I always feel like, so if you're not fair, you are not considered beautiful. So whenever I am with my family or with my relatives, they always make me feel inferior about my color. That so this color is too dull. Why you are so dark skinned? If I'll go into any functions or weddings, they were like, you should not wear this color. You should wear this and that. So they used to give me multiple advices based on my color, that you should wear this and you should not wear this. And so I have faced a lot of racial discrimination. So I'm not including society here. I don't have any expectations from society. So when your parents and when your relatives you used to say this thing again and again, so that became like your reality. That was so stuck into my mind that whenever I'll be wearing anything, like suppose yellow color I'm wearing, so I'll be having multiple thoughts, like should I wear this or should I not? Suppose yellow or orange color or some bright color I'm wearing, so I always had a thought that should I wear this or should I not? Because people will gonna judge me. So if I'll be wearing only pastel clothes, so they will make me feel like ये तो और ज़्यादा डल कर रहा है तुम्हारे कलर को. अगर ब्राइट पहनती थी तो दे वर लाइक कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डल लग रहे हो. तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? लाइक should I stop wearing clothes? Should I stop wearing colors? What should I do? So I always feel like that there are multiple opinions in the society about you. There are people who will be telling you you have to do this and you don't have to do this. But it's you who have to choose like what you have to do. I was too insecure, like, so I have like a lot of incident related to that, where people used to consider me ugly. Like, I remember that when I was in fourth or fifth standard, I don't remember exactly in which class I am at that time. And so there was one boy, and he's little good looking and charming. So we used to sit like that, opposite gender will be sitting beside us. So that charming boy and that handsome boy used to sit beside me, and it was okay with me. So I was kid at that time, and how these things really stuck into your mind, that I used to keep or maintain some distance from that boy. That might be he'll be thinking that I am too dirty, and अगर वो मुझे मतलब basically अगर थोड़ा सा भी टच होता तो I feel like कि वो समझता है कि I was too dirty और मैं गंदा हो गया हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. This kind of mentality I have at that time. And जिसके बारे में मैंने बताया, like that girl, तो शी वॉज लाइक कि साक्षी ने कहा है दैट शी यूज टू लाइक यू. and I never said those words. I never told her that I like him. And that boy, he get very offended with her words, and I felt really embarrassed at that time. I was sitting on the last bench और मुझे ये सुन के इतना दुख हुआ that am I really that bad, am I really that ugly? And these kind of things make me feel very much inferior. So one teacher came into my life, and most of the things I have learned from her. I was too underconfident, I was too afraid of everyone. She was just checking our notebooks and she just called my name. Sakshi, can you please come here? And I was like, why she's calling me? You know what happened? Why she's calling me? I was too afraid and I was too innocent that what will happen next. And she called me and said, stand straight. And then I was standing and she just like pulled her hand like that and she was like, can you please come a little closer? And I just came closer and she told me that, and she was like, can you please see each one of them? And those are my classmates. So she was like, can you please see each one of them? And I was like, yeah, I can see them. And my eyes were like that. Yeah, I can see them. And she was like, why are you afraid of these people? Why? इन लोगों से डरते हम क्यों? मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई. आई वॉज लाइक ऐसे. तो उन्होंने मुझे समझाया किसी से नहीं डरना है अपने को. एंड साक्षी, तुम मेरे बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हो एंड आई हैव नेवर सीन अ गर्ल लाइक यू एंड किसी से नहीं डरना है. दैट डे यू नो, I really feel that something lightened me up. I really felt that something just happened to me. I really appreciate her for saying that. That was a small compliment that day, but that compliment just brightened my whole day. That compliment is live with me now also. And whenever I was on stage and I am on stage, I always think like that. I'm not afraid of these people. These people are listening to me. Why would I afraid of anyone? So this life lesson became very important to me. Apart from that, she used to teach us like why you have to save water and why quality is important. She's one of my best teacher ever in my life till now. So and I have learned so many things from her literally. ये जर्नी बहुत आसान नहीं थी. मैंने बहुत कुछ फेस किया है. रिजेक्शंस फेस किए हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा अगली कमेंट्स फेस किए हैं जस्ट बिकॉज मेरा कलर डल था. तो पीपल यूज टू ट्रीट मी लाइक हेल. बट नाउ दिस इज़ माई पावर. दिस इज़ who I am. This is Sakshi. And now I really feel blessed about my color. I really like my color. It's dark for you, but it's my identity. It's make me who I am. And I'll be proud, you know, of my color. जब तुम स्कूल में होते हो ना तो काफ़ी सारे लोग तुम्हें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें बोल देते हैं. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें. इतना था कि मैं किसी भी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने से डरती थी बिकॉज I always thought that I was ugly. I always had a thought that, you know, people are good looking. So I really feel bad for that girl. And I really feel happy for that girl now. Because people used to tell her what they want. तो जब मैं कॉलेज में आई मैंने अपनी आइडेंटिटी चेंज की कि अब मैं ऐसे दिखाऊंगी दैट आई एम रियली कॉन्फिडेंट. मैं किसी से नहीं डरती. तो जब कॉलेज में आई तो ऐसा इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ. लेकिन हाँ, एक बार हुआ था व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग फॉर एक्टिंग. तो मैंने सोचा कि एक्टिंग का एक बार ऑडिशन देते हैं एंड वी विल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन सम ड्रामा एंड ऑल. तो ड्रामा में मुझे लिया गया लेकिन मैम ने मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया दैट हर फेस इज़ लिटिल डर. तो इसको यहाँ पे रिजेक्ट कर. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि मैं उनको बोल पाऊँ ये मेलेनिन है और इसका थोड़ा सा लेवल जो है मेरी बॉडी में ज़्यादा है, इसलिए मेरा थोड़ा कलर डार्क है. सो बहुत कुछ फेस किया है एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने देखी है. अब मुझे लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है दैट योर ड्रेसिंग सेंस इज़ टू गुड, योर स्माइल इज़ टू गुड, योर फेशियल फीचर्स इज़ गुड. बट सो ये ऐसे नहीं थे हमेशा. मैं ऐसी नहीं थी. मैं बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थी, इंट्रोवर्ट चाइल्ड थी और दूसरे लोगों को खुद से बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर, बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट और बहुत पेडिस्टल पे रखती थी मैं लोगों को. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज़ मैंने सीखी है कि, तो एक चीज़ मैंने जो सीखी है वो ये सीखी है कि जो तू है वो कोई और नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए तू है. तो अपनी एक आइडेंटिटी बनाओ, अपनी एक इंडिविजुअलिटी बनाओ जिस पर आप चलो, रादर देन फॉलोइंग द पाथ्स ऑफ अदर, रादर देन व्हाट सोसाइटी थिंक्स अबाउट यू। और ये सब चीज़ें अब उतनी मैटर नहीं करती है मेरी लाइफ में। बस बताना था मैं हमेशा से इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट, या फिर मेरा ड्रेसिंग सेंस, या फिर मेरी आवाज़, उसको मैंने कार्व किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है उस पर। मैंने उसको बहुत ज़्यादा कार्व किया है। वो कोई ब्लेसिंग नहीं थी जो मेरी लाइफ में बचपन से थी। मैंने हर एक चीज़ को अपने हिसाब से किया। मैंने अपनी आवाज़ को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट बनाया, थोड़ा उसमें डोमिनेंस लाया, ताकि एक रूम में अगर 1000 लोग भी बैठे हो तो उन तक मेरी आवाज़ पहुँचे, वो मेरी आवाज़ सुने और वो समझे, वो सुने मैं क्या कहना चाहती हूँ, मेरे क्या ओपिनियंस हैं। सो दैट्स इट फॉर वीडियो, बट choose who you are and believe in yourself. Have a faith in yourself. So it doesn't matter what thousand millions of people are saying about you. That's why I really love, content creation, because express your thoughts to yourself and to the people. You can just convey your message, and this is something which I really love. Content creation will make you a different person. I'm not talking about subscribers, I'm not talking about numbers here, but my goal, my journey, obviously to earn money also, that is like second perspective, but first of all I really want to upgrade myself to next level, whether it's my fashion sense, whether it's my dressing sense, whether it's my confident voice. So I just want to carve it to next level. So thank you for watching me, thank you for listening to me, and I am done. We will be back with another video very soon. So tab tak ke liye bye bye.